Hello, students. Today we are going to study regarding using social media to solve business challenges. So how we can use the social media. Okay. So last class we have discussed regarding the social media strategy, the introduction part and key terms and concepts. So today we will be studying regarding using social media to solve business challenges. So how we can solve. So we know strategy we have seen, that is the social media strategy, which is important aspect of social media planning. Whenever you're planning for social media, the strategy plays an important role. So part of that strategy is identifying which business challenges, marketing and communication challenges in particular, the social media will address. That has to be analyzed. The following are the thing which exactly any social media marketer are looking for. First of all, you are looking for communication and outreach, community management, support and customer service, reputation management, advertising and awareness would like to create, sales and lead generation, search engine optimization, insight and research. So these are the things, obviously, one of the other thing any social media marketer will be looking for. So how we can use this? Okay, so social media and how we can solve some business challenges. So we can increase it. So if you see the first one, communication and outreach. So obviously, social media offers brands an effective two-way communication. Okay, when it is real-time broadcast channels, also you can do two-way communication. This is whenever you publish. So there will be a comment section. They will a customer will come back. They will rate it. They will explain it. Okay, just as a consumers can communicate with each other and send messages to business and brands, so business and brands can use this medium to communicate with and reach out the public. We have seen this in last classes also, that how this social media is even challenging also advantage side. If you see, they comment it and they suggest it, but the challenging side or disadvantage side is anything they can comment that will be even act as an the negative part of thing. Okay, so social media is highly effective public communication tool that can be used to solve the business problems or challenges. So even business, governments, and other organizations use Twitter and Facebook to broadcast timely messages. You know how our Indian government uses this. Even business people uses this. Everyone uses Twitter, okay, to communicate them, the Facebook and even broadcast, allowing interested parties to keep informed in real time. So this has become a vital aspect of newsworthy and breaking news events such as elections results. You can watch disaster, anything has happened. So you have seen how disaster has helped them. For example, if I say Karnataka had seen last 2 years back the heavy rain. So how the social media helped to reach those people. Okay, even wherever this the climate natural calamity happens, social media always have helped to reach those people or any problem which is faced. Elections, that is common tool they are using nowadays. Even global sports also you can check up. So many organizations also use social media tools to broadcast service updates. So that is the first thing which you can use. Next is community management. So we have seen how community management is important in social media, especially. Okay, so we create the communities and even virtual representation of the real world networks and communities that we use through social media. So this feature of social media can be used to build and maintain a supportive community around your organization. So where the community people, the who are the participant in that, they can add their suggestions over there. Okay, so community manager is a role that has risen to prominence as more organizations start using social media. So, but it has always been an important role in any community, from groups that thrive on forums to communities run on Facebook. But that has to be kept keen observation. Everything has to be checked up. Cheating, building, and nurturing a community means that organizations don't just participate in conversations that are happening around them about them, but also actively lead and guide those conversations. So they help them whether things are genuine or not, whether fake or real. So thus through the community management that is helped, and especially when social media has came up, so community managers are playing important role. So these communities are generally made up of the organization biggest fans, often called brand evangelists. You can find out even Insta, even social media, everywhere. These people are available nowadays. So who feel as if they have a big stake in that organization. So this creates an environment where those fans can interact directly with the organization. and where the organization can send messages directly to those fans and solicit their feedback also they will get. We are coming up with new thing. We are coming up with new. You are waiting for us. We are coming. This is the new style. That all those things are. We have seen it. So this is how the community management work on social media. Support and customer service, most important part of post purchase. So even in social media, that additional customer service channel is available. Okay. So as a consumer are increasingly comfortable transacting online, they expect the business which they transact to respond through customer queries in the social space also, as they would do through a call center or email. So it is very useful that social media everyone uses. Go to the pages, I am facing this problem. So how can I solve this? So through social media also, the companies or organization can support to the customers. So some customers have found that problems or questions on social media tend to be resolved more quickly. That is the perception. As the brands are wary of having unsolved issue left out in public. So even not organization, if you're facing any technical problem, even the users also can give you the insight. Yeah, you can go through this and you can solve this particular problem. So where the forum is created. For any organization that runs a social community, customer service is often one of its primary functions. So obviously, the product, yes, plays an important role, but the most important part is post-purchase services provided by the organization. That plays a vital role. So even Twitter, if you just check it, so brands respond to customer complaints or queries as a platform like Twitter, keep track of response times, rates, and tone of responses. You might have seen this. If anybody is here who uses the Twitter, they know it. So recently we have seen that we are not a shortage with the oxygen, shortage with the remdesivir injection. So these all things through Twitter that has been solved. Okay, if someone has came to help. Okay, this is how that Twitter is getting used. Reputation management, yes, most important, especially on social media. So social media, if you plan well, strategy is made well, it is going to play a very effective tool for crisis communication and management. Because in certain instance, it is the place where some crises start. So that has to be managed very nicely. So due to offensive content that has been created, okay, an employee saying something stupid or inappropriate over there, or even just angry customer sharing their complaints and getting reactions. So obviously that happens. So these things has to be checked. So I came to one source, whether it is correct or not, I don't know. I might be wrong also. 4 employees Mark Zuckerberg has kept just to delete the comments below in his page. Okay, just to delete those pages. So there are even organization maintain this. So it is important that you do not delete angry posts, but acknowledge them. Whatever you cannot delete, go on deleting, then that will be again the negative impact. Whatever angry posts are coming, just acknowledge them and ask for the solution or reach to the service center, any help you require. So it is great tool for monitoring what is being said about your brand and to spot potential crisis long before it becomes one. You can come up with the new strategy to tackle that particular thing which is happening against the reputation of the organization. So such a heads up allows your brand to mediate the crisis by being proactive and ameliorating the crisis before it takes hold. So you can proactively manage it and you can stop it, whatever is happening. Okay. So when crisis does hit, social media is a great space for managing your communication as it enable to you get to your side of the story out. Because in email marketing or call, that is not very easy possible. But social media, yes, directly you can post it. So people will be watching it who are following your particular page. Advertising awareness, that is another what you call use of social media. So which nowadays every organization is coming up to create awareness about the product and services they are having. So whether there is an audience, there is an advertising. Yes, obviously, wherever you go, wherever there is an audience, there will be advertising coming up. Everywhere, everywhere, anything, anywhere. Serials you take, televisions you take, YouTube you take, singing competition you take, reality shows you take, even news channels you take. Wherever audience is there, we will find the advertisement. So the more time users spend on social media, the more brands want to advertise them. So where the highest time is spent by the people. So It is not just a large number of users and the time users spend on social networks. That is the most important part, which is played and appealing. And you can use your demographic and psychographic targeting opportunities also. And how demographic and psychographic targeting does that we have already studied. So here adverts can be targeted based on profile information. We have seen how the profile creation happen in digital media, how we create the profile of the consumer, on what basis. So through that we can go for advertising, we can target them, we can access, and we can create the awareness among the users. Sales and lead generation. Yes, we if advertisement is getting success, so obviously that will lead to the sales and lead generation. So adding, for example, you nowadays you are finding Myntra is giving offers 80% off, 50% off, 90% off. If you just the image you see, then below there's a tab available, shop now. You just click it, you go it and shop it. So first of all, that is an advertisement part on the top, and below that is the sales and lead generation which can be done. So experience that matters a lot when you are coming into the picture of the sales and lead generation. So that is social connection and or inferred connection based on the behavior of the customer. So example, if you see Amazon's collaborative filtering, if you have browsed Amazon.com, you will not doubt or seen product information such as people who bought this also bought that also. I think you are all experienced this. Okay, so, this pant, this shirt has been bought. With this shampoo, this conditioner has been bought. Okay, this dumbbells, weightlifting dumbbells, so this is also bought. With this fragrance, this has also bought. So these are the suggestions which lead the generation, okay, which increase the sales in real time aspect. Search engine optimization, we know how important role is played by the SEO, because the keyword, the content what we use, that is most important role. Okay, so the SEO plays an important role. So it provides additional assets that can be optimized so that brand owns the results page for search for their brands. Okay, savvy SEO strategy will also make use of social media assets, links, likes for strengthening the position of other web assets in the search engine result pages. So we know how SEO works and how we plan for SEO and how the process involved in SEO and organic and non-organic and paid and unpaid. We know this all. So we have to pay key attention towards even SEO part also to get more sales, or even you can say to solve the challenges which are facing. Insight and research, yes, it can give the good insight, and even researchers should huge information you will get from the social media. Just now I have shown you the Sika Business School channel, how the insight is there. So we didn't campaign anything over there, but then also we have around 25,000 views. Okay, just we made videos not for others, we made videos for you people, but you have seen how search happens and how things goes. Okay, the social media can provide a rich source of data, both demographic and preference based. So you can use the information user shares freely to understand more about your market, brand, or product also. So here you can use different tools, so which track the emotions, mentions, sentiments, okay, how people are respond. That just now we have seen. So even you can use social network ad planners, so Facebook ads, even Google display planner, Google ads and all. It can give rich information about the size of your market and things that consumer like. So if I want to market something on Sika Business School, so obviously the target is 18 to 24. That is the age where I can target it. That is the best option available. So I can use this because most of the users are from that age. So average time they are spending is around 2.5 minutes. They will skip it, they will check it, they will again leave it. So what I can do is that I can, in those 2 minutes, I have to add my all advertising strategy. So that I can do that. So this is regarding today's class. So any doubt if you're having, you can ask.